Hi, I'm Mary and I'm a product marketing manager here at NERA. In this video, I'm going to show you how NERA helps you fix unreliable GIS data by aligning it with LiDAR and engineering information so you have a complete record of ground truth. GIS is essential, but the unfortunate truth is that it's not always accurate. Pole locations and assemblies may change during construction or asset maintenance without being updated. The result is that pole locations are incorrect, spans don't line up, and equipment details are incomplete. And it's not just a data issue. Emergency teams also rely on GIS to mobilize crews. In everyday scenarios, like vegetation or capital planning, GIS errors add up to costly inefficiencies. And in emergency scenarios where every second counts, the consequences of inaccurate equipment locations can be more catastrophic than inconvenient. We've seen that up to 20% of assets are incorrectly located or missing in GIS. NERA fixes that, giving you a complete, accurate, and usable model you can trust when it matters most. Let's take a look at how it works. Here, we're looking at a 3D physics twin of a utility network in NERA. I've brought in both GIS and LiDAR. NERA will identify the discrepancies in a GIS conflation report so you can see exactly where poles are located compared to where your GIS says they are. NERA matches the LiDAR identified assets to the GIS using a smart topological fit, so every structure in your network model is placed in the right spot with the right details. You can also uncover found assets that weren't in your GIS at all, which is critical to know before they cause downstream risks. In this view, we can see the exact shift vectors between LiDAR and GIS, shown here with the teal line. Each line shows how far the GIS record is from the true LiDAR location, and you can see the labels above each pole that show the exact shift distance at a glance. Zooming out, we can see this information across the network area. Here, we can see a summary table that shows exactly how many of your assets are within 10 feet, between 10 and 50 feet, or over 50 feet off from your GIS records. Beyond locations, NERA also enriches your asset data. We can attach inspection photos directly to the asset. That means you're not just correcting where poles are, you're also validating what's actually on them. Details like pole height, class, assemblies, utilization, location, and condition images are all integrated into the same record. Once corrected, your network model reflects reality. For example, GIS may show safe vegetation clearance, but after conflation, you can see the span is actually running through dense vegetation. That's a hidden risk you'd miss without accurate enriched data. With NERA, you can correct thousands of asset records in just weeks without sending crews into the field. The result is a complete 3D network model, faster outage restoration, and confidence that your planning and compliance decisions are based on truth, not guesswork. That's the idea. Thanks for watching.